We will see how to insert the mobile SIM into HP Jerbook laptop. First of all, we need to unlock this back panel. It is very simple. Once you unlock this, then you have to just pull this downside. After that, you need to remove this battery, and to remove this battery there are two locks, lock 1 and then lock 2. So we have to unlock it. You can see the arrow directions, so simply push this side. So here also by this. So here is one flap, just so here you can see the same slot, and now we have to insert the same. The same direction should be like this. It's very simple to insert inside. Okay, and then push it. Now it's locked. If you want to remove it, then simply push once again, so it is unlocked, so you can remove it back. Okay, by this way. Now I am reinserting it again. I will push it. Once it's done, then you have to fix the battery. It's very simple. Put the battery like this, and then press this, and then again lock this. This side is already been there. Now the back panel. It's done now. Then you can lock this. Now I will do the power on off, and we'll see how we'll see if it is connected or not.